So we're back in the shop. So a lot more set up now than the prior video, I believe. It's been about 3 weeks since the last video. And we got a new project we're going to build today. It is to hold me and my wife's record collection. So I got the measurement of a record. I know how thick they are. I got a basic plan to build off of that I drew out. So it's probably going to be more montagey than anything. And we're going to build it. And it's a pretty basic, just basically 4-post stand. Has some scrap wood I had that was very interesting. So let's start this. Alright, so we got something close to that is what we're going to go with. And I think I'm going to make legs on the bottom of it out of the same material to raise it up a bit. And I think we're going to notch that way as well. Yeah, all right. So I'm going to sand the edges totally smooth and make these exactly uniform, which they're fairly close, but that needs a little help right there. I need one more piece like that. Okay. No, come on. It's actually perfect. Alright, so that'll be our main platform. I'm going to go ahead and square it and glue it and blow it around something else through it. This is a corner jig, which is great for this kind of thing. Second. Making sure it's nice and flush. And this will ensure when I nail it, it's a perfect square edge. And I'm just going to use wood glue and finishing nails. Well, it's actually going to hold quite a bit of weight. I'm going to countersink this, now that I think about it. I'm going to loosen that, tap it there. Yeah. So I'm going to actually put a countersink joint into the edge. I'll sand and everything later, but pretty sharp. I don't know if it's too bright for that. Anyways, I'm going to run on a countersink right through there, and we should be good. Countersink. Oh, that's not countersink. That's countersink. Very dirty countersink, but it is one nonetheless. Come on. Right there. Which actually looks like I need to pull it out just a little bit. Slip the grip on it. Alright, so now we got this totally level. We got 4 pieces that are exact and already sanded. That's nice too. So you got 4 pieces that are exactly perfect with each other to the point. If there wasn't lines in these, you wouldn't be able to tell that wasn't just a block of wood. Pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and attach these to the frame platform. And I believe I'm just going to glue these. And once they're glued, I'll probably run a couple nails through it just for a little added stability. Always remember to hit record. That's a big deal. Alright, so I just use a little bit of wood glue on the corners where the joints are going to meet. Just going to rub it around a little bit, make sure it's a little bit better contact. And just place those just where they need to be. Alright, so now we're just going to cut off here and here. Measure 2 more to get 4. So I'm just going to cut off here and here. So we got bars for the edge of our thing. Make sure you wear goggles and gloves when you're cutting metal, because you don't want metal in your eyes or in your hand. Especially with a cut-off wheel, the wheel itself can explode and send shrapnel everywhere. Right off my edge also. Right off all together. They're all cute. Let me do the other side and we'll go. Alright, we're just gonna chuck in a wire brush. Make sure it focuses on the right thing. There we go. We're just going to lightly polish each of the rods. Had some camera difficulties on the last shot, but I have drilled holes, not all the way through. They go 1/2 inch in with the drill press. They are exactly the same diameter as these rods we just finished polishing. I have mixed up some epoxy that I'll do wood and metal bonding, and they are press fit into those holes with a generous amount of the epoxy. So this is built, this is ready. So I'm not sure if I told y'all what it was, but if I didn't, it is a record stand, and it should be able to hold our entire collection. And you'll be able to just grab them through. So everything's been softened, nothing can hurt the records. And yeah, this is a great one, by the way. It's obviously the soundtrack to the movie, but it's good. I like this one. I'm going to probably give the entire thing a coat of stain, even the rods, even though I just spent all that time polishing them. Yeah, no, I'm not going to. I'm just going to stain the wood, because I did take quite a bit of time polishing these rods, even more than I filmed. I got them up to 500 grit, so they're nice and shiny. But it's sturdy, it's solid, and there you go. Now it's kind of basic as far as building things goes. It's not like engineeringly a marvel, but it's pretty cool. And I'll probably put some rubber feet on the bottom of this thing. Just stick on, nothing special. Nice. I'll get some cool shots of it here in a minute. Or actually when it's finished, and I'll add that to the end.